What is up, guys? My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives, and in this episode of Buhay Photographer, we will be unboxing something very useful, a gear that we recently purchased, and it's a field monitor by Feelworld, the F6 Plus. In this video, we will be unboxing this. We will be mainly focusing on what you get out of the box and its general use. So we bought this field monitor because we have been shooting a lot of outdoor activities and outdoor contents recently, and it has been a huge struggle for us to check focus, check the proper exposure under direct sunlight. So for those of you who are looking to buy the the Feelworld F6 Plus, keep watching. This is a video for you. Alright, so let's get this unboxing started. So this came just like this with a bubble wrap, but I had to remove it just to be sure that I got the proper item that I ordered. So first thoughts, this comes with a sunshade. Let's put it. And then the monitor itself. It comes with a tempered glass. The monitor itself. This is powered by LPE6 or NPF batteries. Comes with the manuals, the arm, HDMI cable, and a mount for your sunshade. Alright, so initial thoughts, the build seems to be strong, made of high quality plastic. It has HDMI in, HDMI out, a DC out 8 volts, and this is where you mount your arm for your camera. And yeah, for now there's nothing left to do but to assemble this and share with you my initial thoughts, and might as well assemble this and mount it with a camera. Alright, so we're gonna attach these parts now. We're gonna attach them all together and mount it in a camera and see how that looks like and how it goes. This may or may not be a time lapse. That all depends on how I go. So there we go. So we're gonna power this up with the LPE6 battery. Same battery that powers up the Canon 80D, 70D, EOS R series. And another thing that you should know is this comes with a HDMI to micro HDMI cable. So for Canon cameras, that usually doesn't work. You will need a regular size HDMI cable and convert it into a mid-size. Plug this in the HDMI in. For the HDMI out, we'll talk about it on another video. Alright? And plug this into your camera. There we go. So now it works. Alright, so we successfully attached the monitor into the camera. We finished setting it up. So I just want to remind everyone, before buying this monitor, do your research, because for me, like for this camera, it doesn't work, or it doesn't give its full potential, because you lose your display and transfer it into the monitor. In some cameras that are professionally ready, like the Sony a7 III, the Canon EOS R, you get duplicated displays, so you might as well keep that in mind. Is an extra 7,000 worth the transfer of display? For a duplicate display, I would say it is, but for a transfer, I don't think so. Alright, so to wrap this up, I just want to give you my quick thoughts, pros and cons, and is it really worth it for me as a professional content creator. So first thing, I don't like that it comes with just one cable. I'm a guy that uses Canon. For all my shoots, all my equipments are Canon, and for Canon they use a mid-sized HDMI, and this one is not working for me. Okay, so that's the only thing I don't like. Overall, this monitor is really worth it for me so far. It's made of high quality plastic, it's touchscreen, it's powered up by the batteries that I already own, and I would really suggest, I would highly recommend that you get it from the seller that I bought it from. It's from Lazada. I will write the link down below. because it comes with a free hard case made just for this monitor. That's it for this video. My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. And we will see you on the next episode of Buhay Photographer.